India, 2 January at a mock dry run at a mock drill for vaccination of COVID-19. Our GMC2 from the Kamrup Metro, Tinta Jagat Hoisil, or GMC was one of the centers. There are certain protocols which have been followed, given by the government. Vaccination to Kakdibo. So, foremost is the healthcare workers. Or phase wise, they will go out. Police personnel, fire brigade, fire personnel, even maybe press will come into you. So, Amar Yate, what we did is we formed a screening place where these healthcare providers, we had 25 such doctors, paramedics, June Ahisil. And we followed a stringent protocol. Ahipla waiting area, Ami Rakhisilu patient of Ami patient Bule committee. Vaccination of Rakhisilu. Then there was a separate enclosure, Jot Ami vaccination disilu. Vaccination dunta Ami Hetu Homoit Ami Teketa Kolok explain Koisilu ki pros and cons, key hobo, reactions hobo pare, okaman jor uthibo pare ba khujoti hole to report to the nearest doctors. Then ami at a waiting area, post vaccination waiting area rakhisilu. They were kept there for 30 minutes to see if there is any immediate reactionary adverse reactions. So then there was a separate exit door. So the entire process was well knit and well kept. So ami aro eta ei gute process to jete ami korisu go home message kisuman ami put up korisu to the government. Eta hol pamphlet dibole koisu, written pamphlet, so that june vaccination pai পঢ়ি পঢ়িব পাৰিব পেম্পলেটত কি আছে কি নাই তাৰপিছত সেকেন্ড থিং ইজ বহুত জায়গাত ভ্যাকসিনেশন হ'ব তো কিছুমান জায়গাত ওয়েটিং এৰিয়াটো অকমান সৰু হ'ব পাৰে এখানে what we observe that we should follow the standard protocols of not overcrowding, so waiting area should be big. সৰু waiting area হলে crowding হ'ব এখানে waiting area to এয়া কৰিব দিছো আৰু bigger observation area also. Jot vaccine deep lie, ami patient to manjonok ami rakhim. Hetu area to ami okoman dangor rakhibole koisu. Ebur observations ami GMC observations. Ekhini ami rakhisu. We hope that very soon we'll start with the vaccination process when government allows.
Is it a trial process? What reaction
Original vaccine to can get no? So it's just a trial run.
Vaccine doctor frontline
hey talika to ami sub that is given. They have asked for that kiman manue kam korse ki course. We have submitted to the director health service. They will decide kak dibo lage kiman dibo lage. It's very difficult for us to give a exact figure ki khini kami dibo kuchu
aru covid or jetu status as eta medical botman covid patient kiman what আছে botman data
amar Kalapahar hospital if I tell you just a sec I'll have to open my system. At present in GMC we have 66 patients tar bitot NPC 14 ase NPC মানে paying cabin. COVID emergency juntu ami gynae patients rakhisu tate মানে pregnant lady ejon ase COVID 3 ase 18 jon aru Kalapahar ase 21 jon kali aru dujon discharge dia hol ekane 19 jon ase.